Thank you again for watching the video. This video will continue on the previous video. So what we did in the previous video, we looked at the if statement, and we had the example of the insurance company saying if your age is 45 or above, then you have to pay 500 per month. Otherwise, you will pay 300. So we used if and else for the condition. Now let's convert that condition to a function, so we can call it anytime we want. So, simple thing, we will create a function using def, def space, and then we'll call the function insurance with I uppercase. And that function take a variable called age, then colon. Now the remaining part, or this part, is the same as the previous one we have seen. So we check if age is more than 45 or above, more than or equal 45, then what we do, the insurance will be 500, else the insurance will be 300. And because we're using a function, we need to return back the result to the calling function, so we're using the keyword return. So return insurance. So after finding what is the rate, is it 500 or 300, it will send it back to the caller function. That's our function now. So from there, the function. Now comes how we're going to call the function. The same thing, we're using input from the users and converting input to integer, and then calling the function using print insurance, comma, insurance. This insurance here is the same one as the one up. See, the uppercase is I uppercase and I uppercase there. And we're passing age, whatever the user entered into the previous line. So we run this one now, the same example we can use. Let's enter 46. The result is 500. Now we're going to enter 20, and the result is 300. So that's how the same example, only difference we use function. Function, we can call it as much as we want. And that will simplify our code. Instead of repeating the whole code again and again, just we'll call the function as we need. Thank you for watching.